Internships can be so impactful, and it's such a crucial point in your life, being young and not really knowing what to expect out of the workplace. So when the Peoria School District came to us and asked if we would continue having interns, we didn't have a program developed, and Brittany stepped up and created an amazing program for our 2 interns. Shelby told us that she was a bit more focused on the marketing side and aligned with Brittany, and Kenneth told us that he was a bit more aligned on the sales side with Chase. They were sitting in on real client meetings and hearing some of the objections that we deal with, and then how we help overcome that. In the past, we've had production interns, so this was different for us because we hadn't had any interns on the front office side of the business.
We're here at the Met Academy, and we're here to watch our interns.
We've made them some cool different signs for them for this presentation, and they're coming to show. Excited for them to come do this thing.
Hello, my name is Kenneth Hill. I'm a global business student here at the Met, and we're having a public showcase. My day with HWY 85 will consist of phone calls, some emails.
Congratulations on your work. You have done a beautiful job in explaining what you're doing.
Thank you so much.
What are you most excited for your future?
My goal is I'm going to go to college, learn more about what business is, find a great job for the future.
We love you, and we're so excited for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Of course, you don't have to thank us. You guys did this all on your own.